I sit down to finally get my life together. Laptop open, coffee made, to-do list glowing like the holy grail. I'm ready. This is the moment. And then bam, one notification. Just one. Suddenly I'm deep in a 45-minute documentary about how octopuses might be aliens. Now I'm questioning the entire ecosystem, my birth chart, and also why my coffee is cold. I blink and it's 3 p.m. I haven't worked. I haven't eaten. But I don't know how to escape a submarine using nothing but dental floss and a potato chip bag. So growth, then guilt kicks in. The "you're wasting your potential" voice shows up. I try to argue. But he brings receipts, like literal flashbacks. Me at 3 a.m., confidently saving productivity hacks I'll never use. Me signing up for a course I forgot about. Me downloading a budgeting app that just makes me sad. I try to be productive again, but now I'm spiraling. Should I start a side hustle? Should I move to a cabin and write poetry? Should I finally learn Excel? Eventually, I end up lying on the floor, surrounded by snacks, asking the ceiling if life has a patch update. And just as I'm about to lose hope, my brain goes, you know what you need? A rebrand. So now I'm not procrastinating. I'm creatively buffering. I'm not lost. I'm in a self-directed narrative. Honestly, iconic, so yeah. Moral of the story, life's a mess. I'm a mess, but at least I'm funny.